Here, stop. We're gonna talk about it. I mean, you're supposed to grab me. You're supposed to grab me.
That is for crime inside the backpack.
All right, I ain't talking to you. For what?
What he said. She needs to search it.
For what though? It's my bag.
On August 24th, 2024, what started as a shoplifting report quickly spiraled into a scene of chaos, resistance, and multiple charges. Italian officers arrived at a mall after store security flagged a couple suspected of theft. But instead of quiet cooperation, the suspects pushed back, verbally and physically.
Police, stop. Here, stop. We're gonna talk about it. I mean, grab me. You're supposed to grab me. We're gonna talk about it.
Nobody did.
Telling you, police.
He grabbed me multiple times. Why y'all ain't got the hands up? Is y'all cool?
Yeah, you scared of me. Get your whole ass off.
He a hoe. He ain't gonna sit here and grab me.
Nobody got you, bro. Come on, man.
Right now. All right, well, sit down and talk about it.
Talking about he a racist.
If he grab me again, I'm gonna get that little That's what he did.
Come on.
Just talk to me. Talk to me.
Get out of here.
Back up. Stop running. Hey. Put your hand back.
Yeah. You want to sleep? Because I'll go.
Get back. Stop. You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, stop. You're under arrest. Stop. It's really good 22. We're going to need more units. Put your back. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put it behind your back. Put it behind your back. Look, don't resist. Put your hands behind your back. Subjects are fighting. I'll cooperate. Put your hands behind your
What
back.
am I under arrest for?
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
Stop
For
resisting.
what?
Stop.
Loss Prevention tried to stop the pair, but the woman immediately got aggressive. For what? She demanded. Officers told her there was probable cause to search her bag. She shouted back that it was her property and claimed she was being unfairly targeted.
Okay. Just put your hands behind your back.
Y'all ain't cuffing him up.
Stop.
Why he grabbing me, bro? He ain't no grabbing me, bro.
Stop fighting. Stop. You're not fighting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Being arrested for?
You're under
For
arrest.
what? For what? For what? You got me. You have me. You have me.
Okay. Stop. Stop.
They don't want to say stuff, bro.
That's at first floor, you need the mall itself or Von Mar?
Put your hands behind your back.
We're in the mall itself.
Stop.
First floor inside the mall, near the Von Mar. The video's going out. You get the house coming in here.
Stop. Get up. Get up. Stop. 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 Stop.
You don't have to grab me because she's doing it. Don't touch me.
We got it.
Whatever she's doing, you don't have to touch me. Yes, you is. You're twisting my arm. She's doing it. You don't touch two of y'all.
Just stop. Put your hands behind. She's fine. She's fine.
Okay, I'm saying. She's doing it. She's doing it.
Okay.
You're both y'all ain't gotta touch me.
Okay, yes, this policy that we actually are going to get tight.
No, it's not part of it. No, it's not.
You guys never in custody?
Hold on, sweetie.
Let go of my arm. You're hurting me. Let go of my arm. You are.
For anybody else, anything else you're supposed to.
She, look. Tell her to let me go. Yes, she can.
We have both suspects detained. We're going to go back to LP. Is this the bag, right?
They were both together. I know whose case is it.
It's going to be mine.
Both together.
So this
She selected a backpack.
we're going to go back to LP office. Is it this way?
Yeah, it's lower level.
Obviously, the store has video, so we're going to see that. We're going to also ask them for their side of the story as to what they saw, and we'll go from there. That's how we do it. Not just with you guys, but just with everybody. Go ahead and sit
Now
down.
let's go see that. We're wearing the cameras. Stupid ass. I ain't like taking them up out of my mouth.
You good. You can sit down.
Let's see if I can tell.
Knock it off. Knock it off.
Go on the camera back. Nobody did.
That's what we're here to get to the bottom of, but you have to give us a chance to do so. We can't just take your word for it. I don't know you. And I can't take their word for it either. I have to see. I have to hear them out, hear you out. I have to take your handcuffs off. I have to remove this, and then I'm going to put you back in handcuffs, okay?
Where you taking my bag?
Because the Officer Oliver needs it.
For what?
Evidence of a crime inside the backpack.
I ain't talking to you. For what?
What he said. She needs to search it.
For what though? It's my bag.
She
Belongs
needs to
to me.
search it
It belongs
because
to me.
the alleged stolen items are inside the bag.
Y'all finna look dumb. Come on, just come on. So y'all can look real.
You just stand up so you can make this easier for Please don't remove your hands too quick, okay?
The confrontation heated up. The man yelled as officers restrained the woman, who resisted while screaming for answers. Multiple commands to stop were ignored. Backup was called. One officer shouted, "Put your hands behind your back." But she kept twisting, screaming that her rights were being violated.
Do you have any questions that I can
But we gotta
answer?
call more
I want
police.
to press charges. I want his
he
name.
pushed her.
I want to
Oh,
press
it's on camera.
charges.
She ain't touched me, touched her.
I want to press charges.
He grabbed her.
Push me, touch me, grab me, none of that. I want to press charges. Ain't nobody talking to me. Ain't nobody bringing that up.
He's going to jail for domestic
Everybody
violence.
said he
He
talking
pushed
about
her, bro.
everything else. So he should touch me regardless. He pushed me twice. He grabbed me.
And it's on camera.
The primary officer is right here, so she's going to ask you what happened. And you tell her from beginning to end, again, if you want to tell her.
She ain't touched him.
She's right here, it's Officer Oliver. We're all backup officers, okay? She's literally right here, so she's going to be in here to speak to both of you and see if you want to speak.
Onlookers gathered as the suspects continued to argue. The woman demanded charges against the security guard for allegedly grabbing her. Officers tried to calm her down, stating they needed to verify both sides, but she refused to listen. She accused officers of mishandling her bag and violating her privacy.
What happened today?
I want to know why y'all look at my bag.
Because there was merchandise put into the bag. So we have to look for merchandise or any other stolen items.
So y'all went through my personal things, my wallet.
Yeah, we also have to identify.
Ain't no, okay, but I also just told her and gave her, cooperated with her on everything. So therefore, y'all should not have went through my wallet or anything like that.
We can
Can't no clothes fit in no wallet.
We don't know if there's only clothes because we could have definitely can look for other stolen items, just in case if there's other things that belong in the store, like in the jewelry and stuff like that. So they only saw you selling clothes, but if there's other stolen items in the bag, then you can look for that too.
Okay.
On the camera, they saw you.
Can I see it?
No.
Why not?
If you wanna,
You can subpoena the video.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. Yeah. So, do you want to talk about what happened today? Either one of you? Which one?
All I seen was that man push that. I seen that man push her. That's all I seen.
As far as what
I seen that man push her. That's all I seen.
As far as like the.
I seen that man push her.
The
Came in
bag.
and you left out.
You came in and then you left out.
Yes. They said it was closed.
Which side did you?
I seen that man push her.
I don't know which side it was on. I just know we came in the door and we left right out.
The man, meanwhile, claimed he didn't touch anything in the store. When questioned separately, his answers contradicted the woman's story. He said he stayed far from her, but surveillance footage would soon tell a different story.
Press charges for domestic
I've
violence.
been telling them that. I don't know
That
why.
man pushed her.
And left out. And that's
He
it.
pushed her. She
Yeah,
got to press
that's
charges
it.
for a battery.
Left out. And you guys didn't look at anything. You didn't touch any merchandise.
You said we got the footage.
Look,
One at a time, Mom.
Yeah,
they said
I
they
can't
was
hear
talking.
you, but we're talking at the same time.
You said you got the
So either
footage.
she's gonna talk
They said they
or
was
you're gonna
talking.
talk.
You said you got the footage.
So.
Y'all got me on camera? Still or something?
Stand up.
Huh?
You can stand right here.
The woman tried to justify what happened, saying she cooperated and didn't understand why they were going through her belongings. "That's my wallet, my personal stuff," she said. Officers explained they were looking for stolen items beyond just clothes, possibly jewelry or electronics.
Did you look at any merchandise or anything?
I looked at some stuff, but it was like 2 seconds. Literally.
What kind of stuff did you look at?
I don't know. It was all about a kid's clothes.
Okay.
When can I press charges
For what?
for this man putting his hands on me?
Because he was trying to stop you?
He was putting on his hand multiple times.
Because
He's a grown-ass man.
Okay.
I want to press charges regardless.
Because he was trying to stop you?
No. No.
So he identified himself as loss prevention when you guys left the store.
He ain't identified himself as nothing.
He showed you his badge. And then he asked you to come back into the store.
I want to press charges.
And then what?
He didn't ask me to do nothing. I want to press charges.
So what did he say to you when he walked up?
First of all, he just stood in front of me and put his hands on me. Then I backed back and asked him what the doing.
And what did he say?
He ain't say he told me something. He was talking on the phone, telling somebody to come here. I don't know. What's happening?
Does he need that?
To what?
To the meeting.
What's that?
It's the station.
Okay, then what? What's gonna happen?
We'll figure it out. We gotta do some paperwork and then we'll go from there. You got her on the bus, right?
Yeah, I just said that. I told you that. You sit here and when you answer your question, I've been answering mine. Why can't you not home?
Because you're in custody right now.
For what though? Y'all still ain't telling me or showing me what I need.
We're gonna take you to the station.
And then
I'll let you know from there.
She then accused mall staff of racism, saying a white security guard chased her and grabbed her girlfriend. The man echoed this claim, saying they were being followed unfairly and were scared. Despite the emotion, officers remained focused. "It's going to be on camera, bro," one officer reminded him.
What happened? What happened today?
Yeah, I got the story, Grandma.
How did you get in the store?
Who?
You.
What you mean?
How did you get in the
I
store?
walked in the door.
Okay. And did y'all look at stuff?
I didn't look at it. It's on camera.
Were you looking at stuff? So you don't really want to talk to me about what happened. That's fine. I'll just take what LP said happened as what happened. Okay?
He said he's on parole.
He's on parole? For what? Okay.
So when you came in the store, what did you do when you came in the store?
Nothing. I stood in the
You stood in the aisles while she was shopping?
I didn't go in no.
How far were you from her?
All the way far.
What's all the way far? Give me a distance. 5 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet.
Probably like 20. Like, I would never win no ad. It's on camera. I never win no ad.
After she got her stuff, what did you do?
I didn't do. I
You
didn't see
guys
nothing.
walk out together?
No.
No, you didn't walk out of the store together, so it's not gonna show you walking out of the store together?
What did you tell me? She said, baby, we going, they finna close, and that's it. I didn't see shit. Then I
Why did
see
she drop the bag when she walked out? That
I
was
don't
her
know. I
bag.
didn't see her pick up no bag.
You didn't see her pick up no bag?
I was in the middle of the
Why
store.
didn't you stop and come back with loss prevention? Why'd you get in his face? After he identified himself.
Because he grabbed her wrist and it was so fast, and I was like, damn, somebody grabbed my girl.
Okay, what about the other guy that confronted you and said he's calling 911? You got in his face.
No, because when we walked in the store, he was already being aggressive. He upped the tase. He was saying that he gonna tase me. I'm like, what you doing? Because I was running away from him. He was chasing us. I was
Why don't you call
running away.
911? Somebody's chasing you.
What you mean? It's a white man chasing me in the middle of a lot and down this grove. Why did you call 911? You see what happened when 911 get up? They ain't never look at us and say what happened to them. They just instantly took the white people's side. We walked in the store. I said, this man following us being racist. They immediately took his side. He followed us all the way from there. I was running away from him. I never ran towards him at all.
You understand why?
No, he grabbed my
Because you guys are stealing
girlfriend.
stuff from the store.
I never picked up nothing and put nothing in no
Looking
bag.
out for her.
I never looked out because I never went in no ass.
The suspects were eventually separated, handcuffed, and placed in patrol cars. During transport, officers explained the next steps: fingerprinting, photographs, statements, and an official complaint process. The woman said she wanted to press charges, but officers said the investigation would look at all sides.
And myself. Okay. Over here. But I have to watch your stuff here. I have to unlock it first. Can somebody unlock it for me?
I'm not going nowhere.
We're gonna sit her on the other side because I have the shield right here. Affirmative.
Okay, well, you tell me what you do.
All right. I'm gonna seatbelt you in about 7-8 minutes. All right, to the station. We're gonna get there, sit you down. I do have to.
At the station, things got even more serious. Inside the woman's bag, officers discovered stolen merchandise totaling around $500. They also found a debit card on the man that didn't belong to him. After contacting the card owner, they confirmed it had been stolen earlier that day.
You again for department policy, and then we're gonna sit you. Obviously, you're gonna be asked questions. If you don't want to answer questions, that's fine. And then we're just gonna do the process, usually like fingerprints, photograph, complaints and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah, what's up?
All right, 7-minute drive to the station, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Final charges came in. The woman was booked for retail theft, battery, resisting arrest, and criminal damage to property. The man faced retail theft and resisting arrest, along with possible fraud for the stolen card. What do you think? Did the officers act with fairness? Or was this a situation that spiraled because of how it began? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more raw law enforcement encounters caught on camera.